Hello everyone, welcome to shopmatgh.com, and in these tutorials we are going to briefly look at the overview of the website and how your dashboard will look like when you register as a vendor. So quickly, let's go to shopmatgh.com. So shopmatgh.com. Okay, so this site is a new site which has come into the country to help people bring their stores online. So you already have a store, but you want a way to promote your store, to increase your sales and to help your store go online. But you see, getting a website by yourself is very expensive. So we ShopMatGh has made it very simple and affordable for Ghanaians to open up a store with us and start selling their products online. So as you can see, when you open the site, you are greeted with this nice banner. Hooray, shopping made easy and simple from a variety, and then shop from a variety of great stores in Ghana. So when you can choose to click this shop now button. This shop now button here will take you to the shop. And then we have these three navigation bars on the left top corner. When you click it, you can easily get your menus. We have the home menu, the shop menu, vendor registration, blog, track order. So the home will take you to the home. That's the first page. The shop is where I told you, the shop button. Vendor registration, this is where you do your registration. And then blog, these are blog posts. Track order, when you purchase and you want to track your order, you come to track order. And then contacts, when you want to contact us, when you go there, you can find all our contacts and everything. So that is it. So when you scroll down, you see we have this category of product. This is just a demo of the site. This is just a demo. So all the products here, these are demo products. So as people start registering and posting their products, you see all of them over here. So you see this product now 800 cedis, 600 cedis. That means the sale price is 600 cedis. That's the sale price, but the price was 800, but the price was 800, but now is 600 cedis. So you see the add to cart button under the price, and then you see store, e-stores. So this is the store of the vendor. The one selling this particular store is the one selling this particular product is e-store. So you can choose to buy from this store. When you click on this store, it's going to open the store for you. So you can see we have e-store over here, and this is also a demo. I just created it for tutorial purposes. And then you have this product 600 cedis. So when you open the store, you see all the products this store keeper is selling. So when you open as a store vendor, you have your own store where every product of yours is there. So when people are very happy with your services, they can choose to buy all their products in your store. So you just have to give them your URL. You just have to give them your URLs, which is shopmat.com/store/your name. So if you give them that directly, they can buy from your store. So let's get back to our store. Okay, when people want to inquiry your address, your number and everything, your email, when they click on this inquiry button, they can be able to ask questions. So when you click on it, you get this. They can ask questions like name. They have to put down their name, their email, and then they will submit their inquiry over here. So very simple. So you can see how everything is looking very simple and easy with this site. So let's quickly jump to how to register as a vendor. So when you scroll down, you can see register as a vendor and start selling now. you can use this button and it will take you directly to the vendor registration. But let's use the navigation bars. So when you click on the navigation bars, you see vendor registration. So this is the vendor registration, but I'm not going to register because I have already registered. So here you put in your username, maybe Kofi Yao username, anything how you want your name to appear on the site. And this is a very important part, email. Make sure the email that you are using is your own email, because they will send you a verification code. So when you put in your email, let's see. So you can put in your email like that. Okay. And then they will send you a verification code. When you just put in your email, the system will authenticate whether your email is right. If your email is not right, you see this red bar over there. So you put in your email, they will send you a verification code. Then you put it here. Then you continue with your first name, last name, and your store name. So as I said earlier, your store name will be linked to the URL. So you get shopmagic.com/store/your store name. So you have to make sure your store name is what you want your store name to be. And then you have your address. So that's your address 1, address 2, country is Ghana. Right now we are only functioning in Ghana for now. So you choose your city, your country, postcode 00233, your store phone, make sure this is your phone number, and also make sure this is a WhatsApp number, because your customers might be contacting you through your WhatsApp, and we also might be contacting you. And what kind of products will you be selling? So you can put here the kinds of products you'll be selling, although it's not strict, but we just want to get an overview of the kind of product you'll be selling. So, and your password, please keep your password very safe. Make sure your password is strong but also simple so that you can remember. You can write it down so that you don't forget it. So after that, you register, you submit. So after the submission, you will receive a message that your registration has been received and it will be approved. It is going under review, and you receive an email for that. So that's how you register. Because I've already registered, I don't want to re-register with a different email. So that's how it is. Okay, so we are done with the registration. So let's go back to, so I want to log in, and then you see our dashboard. I've already registered as a vendor. So when you come to the 3-bar navigation, so you also have a search product. This is where you can search from the variety of products that we have. So let's quickly click on the login button, and then we log in into our vendor. Alright, so I've already registered, so I'm going to log in. I don't want to show these details, so I might block it. Okay. So I'm going to log in now. Gross sales in this month. So this one will give you an overview of the gross sales that you've made. So you can see I have 1,800 cedis over here. These are the sales I've made within the month and the earnings in this month. So now, as you already know, the company doesn't take money from you for registering as a vendor. But this is what the company does. It takes 10% of every sale that you make. So let's say when you make a sale of 50 cedis, it's going to take 10% of that 50 cedis, which is 5 cedis, as the company earning to promote and to keep the site. You see, so that's how it takes it. But let's say you sell like a product worth 5,000 cedis. So does it mean the company is going to take 500 cedis? No. The company takes up to 50 Ghana cedis of your sales. So if you sell like a product worth 1,200 cedis, the company is not going to take 10% of that whole 1,200 cedis, but it's going to take up to 50 cedis. So the threshold is 50 Ghana cedis. Okay, so this is the gross sales in this month. And then we have earnings in this month. So this is the amount that will be paid into your account. And we have items sold. So when you click on these, you are going to get your items. I don't want this tutorial to be very long, so we are just going to jump over it. So you see, this is where you get your order. This cut button, one order received this month. So this is where you can process your orders to. Whenever you receive an order, you get this. You also have the analytics. Okay, so I'm also a vendor with this company, so I decided to make a tutorial to make everything simple for you guys. Okay, so now when you come to the 3 navigation bars near my store, when you click it, you see you are going to get some menus. We have the home menu, product menu, media, articles, order, coupons, customers, refund, settings, payment, ledger book, reports, reviews, and logout. So all these are what you are going to be using to manage your store. And you also have a bell icon on the top, which is for notification. When you receive new notifications, it's going to appear here. Okay, so let's go to products. This is a very important one when you want to post your product. So let's click on product. So when you click on product, you have, okay, still now processing. Okay, so you will see all your products that you've already posted. So you can edit it when you want to change the price. You can edit it with this pencil mark on the. You can also view it with this eye logo. View. Okay, we just click the eye logo. Okay, so it's going to view these products from your store, as you can see. So it has viewed it. Okay, so that's how it is. You see your name, the store name is already here, e-stores. Okay, so let's go back. So when you click on the edit button, it's going to edit your products for you. So let's quickly click on the edit button. You see edit. So this is where you can make changes to your product. As I said earlier, this is just a product that I just made for this tutorial. So we have, this is a simple product. You can create catalog product or virtual product or downloadable product. But simple product is just a simple product like any other accessories, but not a digital product. Okay, so this is the product name, so you can choose to change it. And then we have the price. This is the price of the product. As I was saying earlier, the price of the product is 800 cedis, but there has been a discount, so you are reducing it to 600 cedis. So that is it. So now the new price is the sale price, which is 600 cedis. And you can schedule, you can choose. So we'll be looking at that. I'll be creating and adding a new product. So this is the very important part, which is your description. If you want your customers to feel secure buying a product, you have to be able to write a very nice description for your product. Make sure whatever you are writing is true. If the product is a new product, state that it's a new product. If it is a used product, state that it's a used product. Don't post products which are faulty, and then when your customers get it, they'll be complaining. If that happens, that means your money will not be credited into your account. If the customer issues for a refund, that means we are going to send back the money to the customer, and then the customer will bring back your products to you. So to avoid all this, you have to make sure whatever you are posting over there is what you are selling. So description, you can talk of if it is a phone, you can say this has 32 gigs of memory and 2 gig of RAM and all those things, everything that you need for your product as a description. Okay, so this is the short description. So you see, when we viewed our product, you see there is a short description here. This is a short description. So your short description up here. But when you come down, when you scroll down, descriptions, is going to get the long description, as you can see from other sites like Amazon, Flipkart, and the other sites. Okay, so let's go back to. So this is the short description, and this is the long description. You can edit it. You can also this is also, as you can see, is very mobile friendly, but you find it more easily when you are using the computer. But you can also use this product, this mobile friendly one, to type your description and everything. It's going to be very easy for you. You can add bulletins and everything, bold it. You can add a lot. You can see you have a lot to do here. Okay, so I want this product to be very short. So this is the very important part. This is the image. Okay, so we'll be looking at this in details after, when we are creating our new product. So let's go back, because we want to create a new product. Okay, so when you open, you are going to see it's now processing. Okay, so when you open, you will see this download button, and you also see this box button. So the box button represents adding a new product. So let's quickly click on the cube button or the box button. So when you click it, it says add a new product. So that means we are now going to add our new product. So let's look at how to add a new product. My product is a simple product, so I'm just going to select a simple product. It's already selected, simple product. Now product title. Now I'm going to sell products. What kind of product? Let me say bag. Okay, so that's my product, and I want the price of my products to be 50 cedis. So you just write 50. But I want to add a sale price. That means it's going to cancel the 50 cedis and then write a sale price. So I'm choosing a sale price of 45 cedis. Okay, so that's it. So meaning the real price of this product is 50 cedis, but there has been a discount and it is now selling at 45 cedis. And you can schedule the time period for this sale to occur on this particular product. So when you click the schedule here, you can choose the date that you want this product to start from, maybe 24th to any product. So I'll leave that. So short description, I'm just going to write a short description. Forgive me, I didn't really prepare for this, so I'm just going to write anything for the description. Okay, this bag is durable. Okay, let's just make it simple, but you have to make sure you prepare a very nice description and a very long description. Not so long, but you see, long description which will give detailed description of your product. So you can write, so this is a long description. You can also add your images here. So when you come to add media, So it is going to show your media files. So let's go to media library. So as you can see, I already have the media library. So I'm going to choose this insert into post. Okay, so you can see it has been inserted here. So you can also edit this and choose however you want it to look like. Okay. So sometimes when you are finding it, because this is not a laptop, when you are finding, you can choose desktop mode. Let me just choose desktop mode over here, so that everything will just look a little bit. Okay, desktop site. So it's refreshed everything, so I think we have to start again. But it's also, you can choose to write it somewhere, maybe in Word, then you copy and paste it. I think that will be very simple rather. So okay. So where were we? Product title. Let's make it bag again. Bag. Price 50 Ghana cedis. Sale price 45 cedis. And then you write your description. This is a short description. This is a long description. Make sure you write a long description, a detailed one. And also make sure whatever you write is true about the product. So this is where you add the image of the product. It's very important. And make sure your product is 800 pixels by 800 pixels. 800 pixels by 800 pixels. There are a lot of apps that you can use to edit your images. Make sure your images are 800 pixels by 800 pixels so that it can appear very well on the site. Because one thing that attracts customers is also your image. If you have a very good image, it's going to attract your customers and it's going to boost your sales. So let's add image by click on this image. So I'm going to add this bag. Select. So this is our image. This is our main image. This is what is going to appear on the shop page. So let's also add this other images that they will be scrolling through. So let me add. Just going to add this. Another one. Just going to add this shoe. So you can get as many but make sure it's between 1 to 7 images. Categories, you want to choose categories. Let me choose okay, there is not yet category for this, but you'll be getting categories for these things. Let me just choose maybe men. So you might get a category like bags, fashion, shoes. So wherever your product fall, you choose that category. So when you'll be getting all these later. Okay, then we go to one important part, inventory. The inventory part. The inventory is like inventory, the number of products in your stock. And so here we have the SKU. When you click on this, it's going to show you the meaning. SKU refers to a stock keeping unit, a unique identifier for each distinct product and service. So you are a storekeeper, you have a lot of products. So if there is an order from your store, you can easily get the product which has been ordered through this SKU code. So you can set it, you can use numbers, you can use alphabet, anything that will make you see that this is the product that is being bought, so that it will reduce so that it will make everything very fast. Otherwise, you will have to go back to the product which has been bought and look at it, plus the size and everything before selecting it. But with this product SKU, so let me just make it bag 001, bag 001. Okay. Manage stock. If you want to manage the stock, how many of this product is in stock? Maybe I only have 10 products. And make sure always this is updated, because if you write 10 and people buy from your store, that means your physical store, but not this on this store, and now you are left with 3, but you get an order that you want to purchase, the person want to purchase 10 products, that means it's going to be a problem for you. So make sure this is always updated. Allow back orders. Do not allow back orders. Sold individually. So this product, can it be sold individually? Meaning, when a person buys one, he cannot buy multiples. You see, so this is not a digital product or a virtual product. So we want it to be, we don't have to allow sold individually. So shipping. So this is a shipping. So the shipping, you have to talk to your admin, or you have to message them to show you how you are going to do it. And then the tax status and everything. Attributes. So this is where you want to add a shoe, like a shoe of different sizes, different colors, size 2. So you look at this one later. And linked. These are products you want to link to your products. So if you are selling more than one product in your store, you can also add upsells. So you can click on this question mark icon. Upsells are products which you recommend instead of the currently viewed products. For example, products that are, so you also see there. So when you click it, you can choose products from your store to help your sales. And then cross sales are products which you promote in the cart. When the person is at the checkout, you can also promote products in the cart also there. So you can choose all these. So after you are done, then you click publish the products. So I think we are done with everything. So submit for review. And every product that you submit, they have to look at the product and see if it is according to our terms and policies and everything is right before they approve your product. So make sure everything that you are posting is right. Make sure your image is nice, 800 by 800, otherwise it might not be approved. So you look at all that. So submit for review. So you see it has been submitted for review. Product successfully submitted for moderation. Okay, so that's it. So this is how to post your product. So I'm going to leave it here. I don't want this tutorial to be very short, to be very long. So I'll leave you here, and then next time. So remember to subscribe so that you can get new videos to help you boost your sales. Subscribe for more.